Okay guys, just open settings, then select general. Okay, then select keyboard, then select text replacement, the first option. So the second option, then you can see there is an option, then click on that button, plus button. Then you can see here is OMW, that's on my way. I'm adding new one. Okay, there is if you type OMW, automatically suggest on my way. Okay, we are adding new one, plus that plus button. Then first button press that the complete word. Okay, I'm writing here, oh my god, god. Okay, then shortcut is OMG. Then click on save. Now we are successfully created a short text replacement shortcut. Then go back to the message, test it now, message, new message, tap on text, then type it. Now it is show, oh my god, is there. You can set anything like type on address ADS, automatically shows your address. Just tap on it, you can automatically complete that address sections. It is one of the very useful feature. It is available on iPhone and Android also. Okay guys, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.